Greeting. This is Mark, bro. We're going to be looking at how we can actually create a smart art right here in this Microsoft PowerPoint here. Yes, we're going to create a smart part, and then we're going to actually format it in a way that it looks very attractive, right? So what I wanted to do, definitely I want to create a new slide, right? A blank, I want to come right here. I'm going to select a blank slide. So put it, you don't have to select a blank slide, but I choose to put it that way. Right, so I'm going to come up here to the tab. You notice you have the File tab, the Home tab, the Insert tab. So I'm going to click on Insert tab. So when I click on Insert tab right here, I'm going to go right. You notice you see the word Illustration. If you notice right here, it's a Smart Art right here. So I'm going to click on that. You notice it opened this small dialog box right here. But if you notice, this dialog box can actually move from one area to another area. Right? If you notice, it have all, it have list. And all of that, if you click on all, this is what come up here. So if you come here and click on list, you notice it bring up a different set. Process, it also bring up a different set. Also, you can actually scroll up just the same. Cycle, and this is what cycle actually bring. Hierarchy up here. Relationship, you notice. You have metric right here. Pyramid right here. I have picture right here. So we're going to be looking at this one. Circle right here. So if I click on it right here, I click on this one. You notice right over here, it actually show it. But in order for me to get it display upon, so I'm going to click right here and click on OK. Notice when I click on OK right here, you notice I can click right here and type inside of it. Right? But I have a different way in which I'm going to actually do it. I'm going to put notice right here. Notice when I put the cursor right here, become an and. But if I take it right out here, you notice come back at the both pointer. I put it right here, we can like mouse and so just click on it. When you click on that, when you click on it, what it will do, open a window that I can actually type exactly in, right? So very important. So put in that particular window, you can actually type, and anything that you type out here, it actually enter inside here. So very important here, how it actually look like. Let me go that and bring it back. All right, if you notice it right over here, all right? So notice the first one highlight. So what I wanted to put right here, right? So I'm going to put the N. If you notice it show right inside here, if I click underneath the bottom, right? Then I'm going to do that. You notice it appear over here, right? I'm going to do that right here. You notice it appear right down here, right? Good. Good. You notice it appear there. All right, so very important there. So when I finish with that, what I can do, I can come right here. I can actually close it. But if you notice right here, I can actually shift it like this. I can actually come like this and size it in just like that. I can actually move it just like that. But not only that, if I want to change this, I can come right here. So I can actually change it. I can move it for one. If I don't, if that one don't choose me, I can actually shift it. You notice? Yes. And not only that, I can actually change the color by coming right here. Right click. I can come right here and change the color just here, right? If you notice one right here, let me go back and click. And let me put something right inside here. Right, so I put that one here. I'm going to close it back. Good. So we're going to put back the color now. I come right here, going to select a color right here. I notice I select a color just like this. But not only that, I can actually give it more style. Make it look slightly different from the ordinary, right? So what I wanted to do, I want to come right here. If you notice SmartArt style, I'm going to come right here and click. And click, you notice each one you put upon it, you notice it change. Just pay attention to this one. Notice I put it right here. You notice it actually change like that. Very important. Come to this one, like that. This one change here. Come here, just like that. Good. So everything actually change up just like that. Different style, pattern, just the same. So all of these now you can actually choose style from which you want, right? So notice actually select this one right here. So if I bring it into full screen, this is exactly how it will look, right? I'm going to come up here to the slideshow. I'm going to click right here, current slide. When I'm going to click on it, you see exactly. So you notice how it look like. So for instance, they're doing a PowerPoint presentation, they can actually bring it up just like that. It's very important. So this is one of the way you can actually use SmartArt right here in Microsoft PowerPoint. So I hope you have learned something from this video here. So just remember to share it, give it a like, and thanks for your time. See you in the next video.